Hey everyone, today I'm showing you how to make this fluffy, delicious keto blueberry mug cake in just 2 minutes. Perfect for a low-carb treat. Here's what you'll need. 1 tablespoon unsalted butter, melted. 2 tablespoons heavy cream. 3/4 of a teaspoon of vanilla. 2 tablespoons coconut flour. 1 tablespoon of granulated sugar replacement of your choice. 1/4 teaspoon baking powder. 'Give it a little mix. Then add 1 large egg brought to room temperature. Mix everything very well. Gently place 6 to 8 fresh blueberries on top of the batter. You can also press them in slightly if you want them more in the cake. Microwave for about 1 minute and 40 seconds. Cooking time can vary depending on your microwave, so keep an eye on it. Then dig in and enjoy your soft, warm, low-carb dessert. If you love this recipe, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more quick keto recipes and comment below what flavor you'd like to see next. See you in the next one.